Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace SD card in MiVue 731. So the slot for SD card is right here. You will need to use micro SD cards. Then I have the SD card already plugged in, so use your fingernail or something thin that you can place in there. Try not to damage the card and the camera itself, and simply press on the card to release it. Now we can remove the card, and now to insert it back, it needs to be placed like this. You also have the icon right here on how to place it, so like that, and then use your fingernail again to lock it in place. You will also hear a click sound. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.